Hi, it's Hardreset and today I'll show you how to fix no SIM card detected on TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, right here on the bottom of your phone is the SIM card slot. So in this hole put something long and thin, for example a needle, and push. Then just take out the slot with a SIM card. So here's a tray and here we have a SIM card. Take right here a microfiber and brush this golden side a little. After that, reinstall the SIM card into a tray. Okay, and put it back into the phone. Also, now restart your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.